In the last video, we installed our C++ compiler and ran our very first program. Today, we'll take a closer look at that program and understand every single line. This line tells a compiler to include a library called IOStream. IOStream stands for Input, Output, Stream. It allows us to use cout and cin for printing and taking input. In C++, functions and objects are grouped into namespaces. The std namespace contains standard C++ functions like cout and cin. By writing using namespace std, we don't have to type std::cout. This is the main function. Every C++ program starts running from here. The word int means function will return an integer value. Here we are using cout to print text to the screen. The operator here means send to output, and endl adds a new line after the text. There is also an alternative for the same. You have to write \n for the new line. This tells the operating system that our program finished successfully. Returning 0 usually means everything went fine. Congratulations! Now you understand your first C++ program line by line. Now to summarize, #include brings in the libraries. Using namespace std lets us use standard features easily. Main is where the program starts. Cout prints to the screen. Return 0 ends the program successfully. In the next video, we'll learn about variables and data types, the building blocks of all our programs. If you understood today's lesson, drop a laptop icon in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.